Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. But once you have yours open and visible, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up, and it also gives us information that we can capture a screenshot using 3-finger swipe down as well. So these are two ways of doing so. So now I'm going to use the 3-finger swipe, and as you can see, same outcome. Now once you have captured your screenshot, you can locate it in your Photos application. And you can see it right here, screenshots, and we can view it. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.